welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Omoayo and I talk about all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, and all the good things in life. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my most comfortable pairs of mules. If you're just getting into the mules game, hope this video is super helpful for you. I love mules because of how comfortable they are. Before we get into the video, let me show you guys what my outfit is really quickly. This is a sheer jacket. It's from Nasty Girl. This is a bodysuit from Zara, and I have a denim jacket, sorry, a denim skirt from Ghani. And that's what I have on today. But let's dive into the video. So my very first pair of mules, these are easily my most comfortable pair and I love them so much. They are worn, battered. I think they're my first pair of mules. These are the Tommy Hilfiger mules. They're in suede. It's a black suede and a gold trimming. I believe they also came in navy blue. I've honestly been trying to find a replacement for a black pair of mules in my wardrobe. Nothing has beat these. Like, worn them in the rain. The suede has held up really good. You guys can see, like, this is lifting. I actually need to take them to like a cobbler or something to just like get my shoes looking cute again. But I love these so much. I throw them on with literally everything. Going to the grocery store, I need something super simple, super comfortable to wear. These are my tried and trusted mules. I wear them everywhere, every single wear. And of course, black, a staple. The next pair of mules I have are white, and these are from Dolce Vita. I've had these for almost 2 years now, and I absolutely love them. Like, they are so comfortable. They have like a snake print and then a leather. They're sort of two-toned. I think it's coming off on camera. Can you guys see those? But super comfortable, super cute. I remember before we went into lockdown, my friend was visiting and she like asked me for some of my most comfortable shoes. These. She wore these and she was like, send me the link, boo, because these are so comfortable. Like, they're not tight against your feet. The leather is so soft, buttery, and gorgeous. So because of that, they actually come in 2 colors as well, or more than 2 colors, but 2 colors I like. So they come in a black, and guess what? The girl got the black as well. I don't love the black as much as the whites. I don't know, for some reason I feel like the white like 2 material looks more sophisticated with the sort of like crocodile leather and like the plain leather. It just looks better in the white. Let me show you guys, like, what do you guys prefer? I think, ooh, I can actually wear them like this. Anyways, but I prefer the whites, but the black are just as comfortable as well. So love these. So for the next pair of mules, if you guys notice, the first 2 pairs I showed you have block heels, and I just find like that those kind of heels offer a lot of support and just like stability. But these mules like really like put my block mules to the test. So these mules are from Zara. I believe they're last season. They come in this like gorgeous mustard, and they also come in black. I was gonna get the black, but I put myself in a standing bun. Anyways, they have this like kitten heel, and so gorgeous. And this little like gold chain detail over here, super cute. I've worn this a ton of times. I've walked super comfortably in this and like super long distances. This are definitely like on like the much more affordable size. I think they came out with these shoes again this season, so you can definitely like snatch these up because they are super comfortable. So the next pair of mules I have here, we're black. So we're black. We're back to the block heel style. These are my nude mules, or one of my nude mules, and these are so comfortable. They are pretty high, but so comfortable. They offer support. They have like a suede like heel on the inside and like a soft leather like instep. Super comfortable, super gorgeous. They come in a darker brown, I believe, as well. These are from Zac Posen. So gorgeous. The leather is so soft and like so buttery. Like when I put them on, they feel like, oh, so good. Love these so much. For the next two, so these two are the ones that have passed the like walking around my apartment, running short distance errands. Yes, I put my shoes through tests. I haven't like had the opportunity to like wear them anywhere like special or fancy, but I found like they've been comfortable. Like if I just walk around, wear something random, but just I want to try out what my shoes feel like to make sure they're comfortable. Yeah, I just walk around my apartment in my shoes. These ones, I believe you guys, if you guys saw my spring haul, these were in my spring haul, right? And like I mentioned in that video, they remind me of that the orange article mules that they came out with. I heard those mules aren't comfortable, but these, oh my god. Back to the two-tone I mentioned in that video as well. This, like, I don't know, is it plastic? It might be plastic, but the support on these, so comfortable. The leather on the inside of these is actually like suede material. Probably can see it. I don't know if my camera is that strong, but it's suede material on the inside, and it just feels like soft like fur rubbing against your like not your instep, but like the top of your foot as you're walking in them. So comfortable, so comfortable, and they come in a lot of different colors. So comfortable. So the last pair of shoes I wanted to show you guys are these shoes. I think if you saw my spring haul, you remember them from my spring haul, but they are by Jeffrey Campbell. These are like the only like the second pair of mules that have pointy heels that I find comfortable. Like comfortable in the sense I can walk around in long distances and my feet don't feel like I have pins sticking into them. Comfortable. These are so comfortable, and I thought I was gonna have a problem with these, like the way like the straps are made, but it was not the case, or it's not the case. Like I walk around my apartment in these. I've run a couple errands in these. So comfortable. My feet are like thanking me like for wearing these. Those are the mules. I think I showed you 7 or 8 pairs of mules, and I have a bunch of mules. Yeah, up to like 25 pairs of mules. Just looking around. But those are the ones I find extremely comfortable. Those are my go-to, like if I know I'm going to be out for a long time on my feet for a while and I need something like super comfortable. So if you're thinking of buying a pair of mules, first of all, do it. I feel like that they're the most comfortable sort of type of heels. But let me know which of these you liked the most. Let me know if there is something like a particular pair of shoes or mules I need to check out that are more comfortable than what I showed you guys. But if you like what you see, please give this video a thumbs up. You know the drill. Share with your family, friends. Till next time. Bye.